Hi guys, this is Venancio and you're watching Fitness with Venancio. Today we're going to complete a beginner's kickboxing workout which you can do at home, okay, or you can do at the club, the gym, wherever you are, the park, doesn't matter. For us we say fitness is anywhere, anytime, anyhow. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a warm-up, a brief warm-up, and then we're going to go into 5 different moves, and you can adapt to that and you can practice that to get the complete workout. Yeah. From here on, we will move on, like as we said, we will build a series on it, and we will move on and make it better and better. So you just work with it and work with us. Okay. So we're going to start off with a warm up. Your hands on the hips. We're going to start off with the neck rotation. So go left to right. So going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to bring it back to the center. Roll back to the shoulders. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and move it forward. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to move it down, so reach to the top, and you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to bring it down again. Place those arms out to the sides, and you move from left to right. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we want to move down to the floor. Move over to your left. Place your right hand down, and you hold it down. Push to the back foot and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now reach up. Left. Look up to the ceiling. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring it down, press both palms to the floor and right to the hip flexors, push down in the hamstrings, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk it back to the center and over to the right. Push that heel down to the floor, straighten the back leg, press the left palm and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach up and hold it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it down. Press both palms down and push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk it back to the center, heel to it. Bring it all the way to the top. Roll all the way to the top. And you can do that warm up. You can do it for a little extra time. If you don't have enough of time, then just keep it short. But make sure you're getting the whole range of motion. You add some mobility work to it before you start doing the workout. Okay? From here, we're going to move into the left leg forward, right leg behind you. Tuck your elbows into the sides. So you're ready. We're throwing a number 1, which is the jab, and we're going straight out. So with 1, back, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to bring it in. Switch over to the other side, so the right side again. Tuck the elbows inside, and you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to bring it back to the center this time, and you want to move back to the left. So this time you're throwing a 1 along with a 2, or we're just going to start with a 2. So from here, just the right arm goes straight out. So go 2, back in, 2, 3, very good. 4, right across your shoulder, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring it back in. Right leg forward, left leg back. Tighten up, and 1. Right across the shoulder, the opposite shoulder. 3, 4, tighten up to the core. 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch, bring it back in. Now we're going to add the step outside. You sit down like you're sitting on a horse. Don't sit too low. If you don't want to, just go as far as the legs can take it. Keep it in, and you're going straight up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 8, 7. Make sure you're keeping the legs pressed down into the floor. So you walk on those legs, okay? They're like car tires. You got to keep them threaded all the time. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back in, walk it in. This time we're going to add a hook to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn, bring that arm from the outside, bring it back in, back to the center, from the outside in, back to the center. So Again, elbows tucked inside. We're going to start off with the left and you're going 1, back, 2, center, 3, center, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 8, 7. Make sure you got that pivot going right there, the ball of the foot. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Bring it back in. We're going to add some knees to that this time, so I want you to keep your hands up. Okay, not very high, not too low again, just in line with the shoulders with just at chin level. And you're going to start off with the left and you're going so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. So we're going to add one more to that, so to make it 6, and we got a whole workout. You step over to the left, take 80% of the weight on the one that's standing, which is your right leg, 20% of the weight that's on your leg that's leaning over, that's leaning back. Just keep the tip of the toe into the floor. You want to reach up and pull inside. Go 1, down, 2, 3. Bring that knee just above the belly button. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring it down, switch sides. Again, 80 and 20. Reach to the top and go. 1, 2, 3. Reach. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. So now let's put it all together. So we're going to add 8 jabs, 8 crosses, 8 uppercuts, 8 hooks, 8 knees, and 8 knee raises to the side. Okay? Begin up in 4. Left guard forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now uppercut. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hook it now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it back in and go left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job, guys. So this is what you can do. You can add as many numbers to it. Give them smaller. Start off with 8. 8 is a good starting point. You can increase them to 16. Take them, double that, triple that. You work it for time. It's up to you. Get the technique right. The technique is very important. Okay. Again, subscribe, like us. All the best. We'll see you on level 2. Thank you.